Nani? So kule video lesizokhuluma nge-pH scale on how to calculate the pH. So mawukhumbula kahle i-pH iyona esitshela nge-acidity or noma nge-basicity ye substance ukuthi i-basic kangakanani noma i-acidic kangakanani. Okay, so masifuna ucalculate i-pH ine formula yakhona. pH is equal to minus log into concentration of hydronium ions. Okay, so this is the formula to calculate pH. So njengamanje number 1 ufuna calculate i-pH ku HCl on a concentration of 0.3. Okay, so angeke siyithathe ke le concentration siyoyigaqa la ku H3O plus because HCl is not, okay, is not H3O plus. Okay, so meaning kuzomele sibhale equation ka HCl ukuze sithole u H3O plus. Okay, so lento izohamba kanjena. We need to find the equation for HCl. We know what HCl, it's an acid. So an acid iya reactor no water, okay, to form H3O plus nabani no Cl minus. Okay, so and we know what the concentration of HCl is 0.3 mole per decimeter cube. Now the question is, what is the concentration of H3O plus? Because you want H3O plus okhona kule formula ye pH. Since HCl is a strong acid, we know that a strong acid ionizes completely in water. So by saying it ionizes completely, it means isofoma the same concentration of hydronium ions. Okay, so meaning i-concentration ka HCl kuzomela ifane ne-concentration ka H3O plus. Okay, so lokhu siyakwazi ukubona nge-ratio between the two ukuthi the ratio is 1:1. Okay, so maye 1:1 ratio, we know ukuthi ngalana siqale no 0.3, then ngalana siqale ngo x concentration, so mass cross multiplier la so tholo x elingana no 0.3 moles per decimeter cube. So since now concentration of hydronium ions, then we can go to the formula of pH. We know what pH is equal to minus log into H3O plus. Okay, so lama strong brackets aqonde i-concentration. Okay, so it's minus log. What is the concentration lapha? So mase substitute manje sesizobuyisa the curved brackets. Okay, so kuzoba 0.3. Okay, so this pH, I mean this concentration now, ile concentration ka H3O esiyitholile u 0.3. So the pH in this case, it's minus log 0.3. So pH yakhona kuzoba u 0.523. Okay, so this is the final answer for number 1. Okay, ngiyathemba ukuthi kuyazwakala lapha ku number 1. So ku number 2 we need to calculate the pH. So ngizokususa lokho ku number 1 njengamanje. So ku number 2 we need to calculate the pH ka sulfuric acid. Okay, we need to calculate the pH ka sulfuric acid with a concentration of 0.05 mole per decimeter cube. Okay, so remember, ukuze thina sikwazi ucalculate pH, we need to know the concentration of H3O plus. But masibuka thina usulfuric acid la akanayo concentration ka H3O plus, but le concentration esiyithola la eka H2SO4. So meaning we need to write equation ezorelate no H2SO4 qala. So equation yala, we know that H2SO4 is an acid. Okay, so if we acid lo uzokwazi ukuthi a react no water. Okay, bese bafoma bani. So remember, in this case ke manje sizokwazi ukufoma ulokoza. Okay, sizokwazi ukufoma u2 we need to form maybe H3O plus, okay, and SO4 2 minus. In this case ke lo sulfuric acid lo uba donator bobabili laba hydrogen. Okay, so mayiba donator bobabili laba hydrogen, so kuzomela siba balancise ke thina manje. So ngalana we need to plug 2 bese nangalana si plug bani u2. Okay, so after sisiplug u2 njengamanje, we can see ukuthi the ratio between lo nalona i1 is to 2. So the ratio is 1 is to 2. But we know thina ukuthi ku sulfuric acid siqale nabani concentration. So sulfuric acid siqale no 0.05. Okay, so sifuna ukuthola ukuthi what is the concentration of the hydronium ions. So ma cross multiplier la uzothola x elingana no 2 times 0.05, then uzothola x elingana nabani masithi 2 times 0.05, it's 0.1. So lana the value of x, okay, it's 0.1 mole per dm cube. Okay, so njengamanje this is the concentration of X. Okay, so this is the concentration of the hydronium ions. Sizwana ngithi, so njengamanje ngoba sesinayo concentration ka H3O plus sesingayithatha ke manje sizoyigaxa kule formula pH. So sesizothi pH is equal to minus log into the concentration of H3O plus. Okay, we know ukuthi pH is equal to minus log, so H3O plus mtholile ukuthi 0.1, then the value of the pH lapha is equal to, so it's minus log into 0.1. So pH here too, it's exactly 1. Man calculator there. Yes, the answer is 1. So the pH lapha is will be 1. Okay, so remember we need to find the concentration ka H3O plus ukuze sikwazi ukusebenza ngeformula pH. Okay, then there is a last problem. So ngizocela ukususa la the last problem nayo ithi calculate the pH of sodium hydroxide with a concentration of 0.5 mole per decimeter cube. Okay, so siku number 3 njengamanje. Okay, so again lana we need to write first the equation ezorelate no sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide, it's a base, so we are break ke manzini. Okay, so my dissociator uba uforma ama ions oku sodium ions and the hydroxide ions. Okay, so njengamanje la the only concentration esingakwazi ukuyithola eka hydroxide ions. Okay, we know ukuthi sodium la I ratio between yakhe no OH minus izoba 1 is to 1. So siyazi thina ukuthi usodium hydroxide u0.5 and sifuna ukwazi ukuthi OH yena uzobe ubani. So uX kule case sizothola u0.5 mole per dm cube. Okay, so this concentration is the concentration of OH minus. However, thina masifuna ukuthola pH, we need the concentration of H3O plus. Okay, so asikwazi ukuthatha le concentration le sizoyigaxa la. No, this will not apply. Okay, so meaning there is something ekuzomela siyenze la. We know thina ukuthi from the equation here water of ionization, okay, Kw, we know ukuthi lingana ne concentration of hydronium ions multiplied by the concentration of hydroxide ions, and we know ukuthi masi the product here lama concentration la izoskiphela 1 times 10 exponent minus 14. Okay, so even in this case manje singakwazi ukuthola concentration ka H3O plus if siyazi concentration ka OH minus. Okay, so then the concentration of H3O plus will times sesiyazi concentration ka OH minus siyitholile la izansi. Okay, siyitholile la ukuthi lingana no 0.5. So meaning we need to plug 0.5 here is equal to 1 times 10 exponent minus 14. So then again we need to divide by 0.5, divide by 0.5. So the concentration of H3O plus is equal to, okay, so the concentration of H3O plus is equal to, so masity 1 times 10 1 times 10 exponent minus 14 divided by 0.5. So lana ngithola mina into ewu 2 times 10 exponent minus 14 exponent minus 14 mole per decimeter cube. Okay, so now sesinayo concentration ka H3O plus sesingakwazi ukusebenza ngeformula ye pH ezothi pH is equal to minus log into H3O plus. Okay, so sifuna pH la, pH is equal to minus log. Okay, sesinayo concentration ka H3O plus iwu 2 times 10 exponent minus 14. Then ke ngoku la sothola final answer yethu. So masithi minus log into 2 times 10 exponent minus 14. Mina lana ngithola i-pH ngithola i-pH ewu 13.7 actually. This is 13.7. Okay, so it's 13.7. Maybe I know ukuthi khona wakangibuza ukuthi how to reverse now if sinayo concentration ka H3O plus. I mean if sinayo pH, how can we find the concentration of H3O plus? Okay, so let's do that example. Okay, so let's say we have a pH of maybe let's say of 3. Then ke ngoku sebethi calculate the concentration of H3O plus. Okay, so we know what pH is equal to minus log into concentration of H3O plus. Okay, so pH sesiyazi u3 and this is minus log into concentration of H3O plus. So the first thing is soyenza la, we need to divide by -1, divide by -1 so that this negative la uzocancela nolo negative lo. So njengamanje sizosala no -3 is equal to log, okay, into concentration of H3O plus. Okay, so masifuna H3O plus ke thina ilula into esizoyenza sizomane sithi shift log kwi-calculator. Mawuphantsa shift log uzobona ku10 exponent ibhokisi kanje. Okay, so it's supposed to be shift log kuzoba u10 exponent ibhokisi. So lana kuleli bhokisi lethu sizo substitute le value ka -3 la. Okay, so meaning kuzoba u10 exponent -3. So maku 10 exponent -3 shift log bese sithi -3 uzothola ukuthi the concentration is 0.001 mole per decimeter cubed. Okay, so ukuze uthole lento le noma nje ungavela uthathe le formula le always mawufuna i-concentration unikezwe i-pH, but la kuzongena the negative pH, so la kuzoba u-3. Okay, so I want to believe ukuthi le lesson izowenza umehluko. Thank you so much.